Learn the essentials of creating an efficient gym layout to maximize space and functionality, enabling you to draft a personalized gym layout that suits your specific needs. Did you know that a well-designed home gym can boost your workout efficiency by over 30%? Hello, fitness enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into how you can transform any space into the perfect workout haven. From clever space utilization to smart technology integration, we will equip you with everything you need to create a gym that's not just functional but also inspiring. Stick around till the end, and don't forget to share your unique gym layout ideas in the comments.
Before you start dreaming about treadmills and dumbbell racks, it's crucial to understand the space you're working with. Accurate measurements are your best friend here. Use tools like a laser measure or even a trusty tape measure to get precise dimensions. Don't forget to account for ceiling height, as it can affect equipment choices. Assess your flooring type. Consider whether it can handle the weight and movement of gym equipment. Look for any potential obstacles such as windows, doors, or radiators that may limit your layout. And remember, unconventional spaces like basements or attics can be transformed with a little creativity. The key is to plan meticulously, ensuring every square foot is optimized for your fitness goals.
Now that you know your space, it's time to determine what equipment you'll need to achieve your fitness goals. Start by identifying your primary fitness objectives. Are you looking to build strength, improve cardio, or enhance flexibility? This will guide your equipment choices. Create two lists, one for essential items like a set of dumbbells or a yoga mat, and another for optional pieces like a rowing machine or a weight bench. Opt for multi-purpose machines that save space and offer diverse workouts. Remember, quality trumps quantity. Invest in durable, reliable equipment that will last. And as you plan, think about future expansions. Your fitness journey will evolve, and so should your gym.
A cluttered gym can disrupt your workout flow. To avoid this, create distinct zones within your gym for different workout types. Divide your space into areas for cardio, strength, and flexibility exercises. This not only helps in organizing your equipment but also enhances the workout experience. Ensure there's a balance between open space for movements and designated areas for machines. Keep pathways clear to avoid accidents and make transitions between workouts smooth. Your gym should reflect your personal workout style, so don't hesitate to customize these zones to match your preferences. An organized gym is an efficient gym. Incorporating smart storage solutions is crucial to keeping your space tidy and functional. Look for compact storage units that can hold your equipment without taking up too much space. Utilize vertical space with wall-mounted racks or shelves to store weights, mats, or accessories. Make sure that frequently used items are easily accessible. This not only saves time but also keeps your gym looking neat. Strive for a balance between aesthetics and functionality. Your storage solutions should complement the overall look of your gym while serving a practical purpose.
Safety should be at the forefront of your home gym design. Start by ensuring that your layout allows for easy access in case of emergencies. Choose non-slip flooring to prevent accidents during workouts, especially in areas where sweat might make surfaces slippery. Proper ventilation is essential to maintaining air quality and temperature control, so consider fans or air conditioning if needed. Keep the gym free of tripping hazards by securing loose wires and ensuring equipment is stored properly. These precautions not only protect your health but also contribute to a more enjoyable workout experience.
Lighting plays a significant role in setting the mood for your workouts. Good lighting can boost your energy and focus. Consider different lighting types for various zones: bright, direct light for cardio areas and softer, ambient light for relaxation or yoga spaces. Mirrors can amplify light and make the space feel larger, adding to the motivational atmosphere. If possible, incorporate natural light to create a welcoming environment. The right ambience can transform your home gym into an inspiring space that encourages you to keep pushing your limits.
In a home gym, noise control is key, especially if you're sharing the space with others or live in an apartment. Acoustic treatments can help manage sound levels, making your workouts more enjoyable and less disruptive. Consider installing acoustic panels on walls to absorb sound. Choose flooring that reduces noise, such as rubber or cork. Keep in mind the impact of noise on both you and those around you, especially in shared spaces. While controlling sound, ensure that the aesthetic of your gym is not compromised. The goal is to create a peaceful and focused workout environment.
Welcome to the future of fitness with smart gym technology. Integrating tech into your home gym can elevate your workouts and streamline your fitness journey. Consider devices like smart mirrors, fitness trackers, or connected equipment that offer interactive workout experiences. These can help you monitor progress in real time and stay motivated. Create a connected space with smart speakers or screens to access workout guides and playlists. Keep room for future tech upgrades as new innovations emerge. A smart gym not only enhances your workout efficiency but also keeps you engaged and excited about your fitness goals. Congratulations on taking the first step towards designing your perfect home gym. We've covered everything from assessing your space and choosing the right equipment to creating a motivating ambience and integrating smart technology. Now it's your turn to put these tips into action and create a workout haven that suits your unique needs. Don't forget to share your progress and any challenges you face in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share with friends, and subscribe for more content like this. Stay tuned for our next video where we dive deeper into personalized workout programs.